Long before cities covered the earth, before roads, machines, and lights filled the night sky, the natural world already existed in silence. Forests stretched endlessly across the land. Rivers carved their way through mountains. Oceans moved with enormous power beneath the moonlight. And everywhere, life was growing. The world of animals began long before humanity ever appeared. For millions of years, creatures have walked, flown, hunted, hidden, migrated, and survived across every corner of the planet. Some animals became fast, others became strong. Some developed intelligence, camouflage, or deadly instincts. Nature shaped every living creature carefully over time. Nothing in the wild exists by accident. Every claw, every feather, every eye, every sound, all of it has a purpose. As dawn slowly arrives, sunlight begins touching the highest trees in the forest. The darkness fades little by little. Morning in nature feels peaceful. But beneath that peace, survival has already begun. Birds start calling across the jungle. Insects move beneath leaves still wet from the night rain. Small animals search quickly for food before predators awaken. Some creatures have already been awake for hours. In the wilderness, rest is never complete. Animals remain alert even while sleeping. One sound can change everything. A single movement in the grass, a shadow overhead, the scent of danger carried by the wind. Nature is always communicating. Animals understand this language instinctively. Deep inside tropical forests, life exists in layers. High above the ground, monkeys leap through branches searching for fruit and safety. Below them, birds with brilliant colors glide between the trees. Far beneath the thick plants, hidden insects crawl silently through darkness. And somewhere nearby, predators move without making a sound. The jungle is alive every second. It is one of the richest ecosystems on Earth. Millions of species share the same environment together. Every creature depends on the balance of nature around it. Even the smallest changes can affect everything. Many animals spend their entire lives hiding. For prey animals, survival often depends on remaining unnoticed. A rabbit freezes completely still in tall grass. A deer listens carefully to distant sounds. An octopus changes color instantly to disappear among rocks and coral. Camouflage is one of nature's greatest survival tools. Some animals blend so perfectly into their environment that they become nearly invisible. Others imitate dangerous creatures to scare predators away. In the natural world, appearance alone can decide survival. Across enormous grasslands, herds move together slowly beneath the burning sun. Thousands of animals travel side by side, searching for water and fresh land. Migration is one of the greatest events in nature. Animals cross dangerous rivers, climb steep mountains, travel through storms and unbearable heat. Many do not survive the journey, but instinct continues pushing them forward. Generation after generation, animals follow ancient paths written into their memory by evolution itself. The oceans cover most of the earth, yet humans have explored only a small part of them. Beneath the waves lies a world filled with mystery. Sunlight slowly disappears as the water grows deeper. In the darkest parts of the ocean, strange creatures survive under impossible conditions. Some create their own light in total darkness. Others have enormous eyes adapted to the deep sea. Massive predators move silently through cold black water. The ocean feels endless, beautiful, silent, unknown. Even today, scientists continue discovering species that humans have never seen before. Nature still hides countless secrets beneath the sea. Along rocky coastlines, waves crash endlessly against the shore. Birds circle above, searching for fish. Crabs move between wet stones as the tide rises and falls. Every environment on Earth creates its own rhythm of life. Animals learn these rhythms perfectly. They understand when to hunt, when to hide, when to move, and when to wait. Patience is one of the greatest survival skills in the animal kingdom. Some predators wait hours without moving for a single opportunity. Others travel enormous distances searching for food. Nothing in the wild comes easily. Every meal requires energy. Every mistake carries consequences. As temperatures rise during the afternoon, many animals slow down beneath the heat. Large cats rest in the shade, conserving energy. Elephants gather near water to cool themselves. Birds glide high above warm air currents without flapping their wings. Nature constantly adapts to the environment. Animals waste very little energy. Survival depends on efficiency. Even the strongest predator cannot survive long without conserving strength. In colder regions of the Earth, life becomes far more difficult. Frozen landscapes stretch endlessly beneath grey skies. The wind moves across snow-covered plains with enormous. Not every animal is born strong. In the wild, many creatures begin life completely vulnerable. Tiny turtles hatch beneath the sand and immediately run toward the ocean, while predators wait above them. Young deer struggle to stand only moments after birth. Small birds remain hidden inside nests, depending entirely on their parents for food and protection. For young animals, the beginning of life is often the most dangerous stage of all. Many will never reach adulthood. Nature can be harsh, but it also creates resilience. Every surviving animal carries the instincts of generations before it. Far above the mountains, eagles glide effortlessly through powerful winds. From incredible heights, they observe the world below with extraordinary vision. Their eyesight is among the sharpest in nature. They can detect movement from enormous distances. For birds of prey, patience and precision are everything. One mistake wastes energy. And in the wild, energy is survival. In rivers and lakes, another hidden struggle continues beneath the surface. Fish swim together in large groups for protection. Some species travel upstream across dangerous currents to reproduce. Others remain hidden near rocks and plants, waiting silently for smaller prey. Water environments appear peaceful from above. But below the surface, survival remains constant. Predators hunt, prey escape. Life continues endlessly underwater. Insects may be small, but they dominate nearly every environment on Earth. Millions of them exist within even the smallest sections of forest. Ants build enormous underground systems. Bees travel between flowers carrying pollen that helps entire ecosystems survive. Butterflies migrate across vast distances despite their fragile appearance. Without insects, many ecosystems would collapse completely. Though often overlooked, they are among the most important creatures on the planet. Some animals survive by working together. Wolves hunt in packs with incredible coordination. Dolphins cooperate while searching for fish. Meerkats protect each other by taking turns watching for danger. Teamwork increases survival. In nature, cooperation can sometimes become more powerful than strength itself. Animals understand this instinctively. Groups provide protection, communication, and support during difficult conditions. Across dry deserts, survival becomes a test of endurance. The heat during the day can become unbearable. Water is extremely rare. Yet life continues there with remarkable adaptations. Camels store energy efficiently inside their bodies. Fennec foxes use large ears to release heat. Many reptiles remain inactive during the hottest hours of the day. Desert life moves carefully and patiently. Every drop of water matters. In the deepest forests, some animals rarely encounter humans at all. These hidden creatures move silently through places untouched for centuries. Scientists still discover new species every year in remote jungles around the world. Nature remains far larger and more mysterious than humanity often realizes. There are still sounds never recorded, creatures never filmed, and behaviors never fully understood. The wilderness continues protecting its secrets. During winter migrations, enormous herds travel together across frozen lands. Snow falls endlessly around them. Food becomes difficult to find. Weak animals struggle to continue moving, but stopping can mean death. Migration is exhausting, yet necessary. Animals follow ancient instincts stronger than fear or exhaustion. These journeys have existed for thousands of years. In tropical oceans, coral reefs become cities of life beneath the sea. Thousands of species depend on these environments. Bright fish move through colorful coral formations. Sea turtles travel silently through warm currents. Tiny organisms clean and maintain delicate ecosystems hidden underwater. Coral reefs support an incredible amount of life despite covering only a small part of the ocean. But these ecosystems are also fragile. Even small environmental changes can affect entire marine populations. At night, sounds in the wilderness become more intense. Crickets echo through the darkness. Predators move carefully through tall grass. Branches crack somewhere far away. Animals remain alert to every sound surrounding them. For many creatures, hearing becomes more important than sight during the night. The darkness forces animals to trust instinct completely. Storms can change entire landscapes within hours. Heavy rains flood rivers. Strong winds destroy trees. Lightning ignites wildfires across dry forest. Nature itself can become unpredictable and dangerous. Animals must react quickly to survive natural disasters. Some escape before danger arrives. Others hide underground or beneath water. Survival often depends on instinct developed over countless generations. Despite the constant struggle, moments of peace